Now, in lecture number 11, this is an Abdul Kalam Technical University exam problem. We are solving this problem by both method, nodal and loop analysis using KCL and KCL KVL method. Students have faced difficulties to solve such type of questions because here resistance are overlapped to each other as shown in figure. So firstly, I am solving this problem using nodal analysis. So what is the problem? In a given figure, compute the voltage required between terminal A and B so that a voltage drop of 45 volt occurs across 15 ohm resistance. So we solve this question by nodal analysis firstly. So when we solve this question, first of all we consider nodes. So this is a reference node and we consider this is a node, that is the name of VC. Now when we consider this node is a reference node, then this terminal is approaching at 0, means VA is 0 volt because it is connected to 0 potential. Now here B is there, so let us say it would be VB. So in this way we make a nodal voltage like this VB, VC. These 2 points are at common potential. That's why we consider VC and VC at both ends. So after that we considering current in arbitrary direction at every node, means VB, VC and this reference node. So here let us say this is I1, this is I3, this is I3, and like this is I4, I4, and this is I5, this is I6. So in this way we consider the distribution of current in different branches at respective nodes. So after that, considering the current, we use the previous convention as discussed earlier. So this is B and C, 35 ohm. The direction of current is like this, this is I2. So I2 in B and C, this is I3 and I3, and here this is I6, and for this is I5 and I5. So start from higher potential, current is supplying by this nodes. So this is plus, this is minus because it is entering at that node. Similarly this is plus, this is minus. Similarly this is minus of 0, and here this is plus of V. Similarly this is plus and this is minus of 0. So start from for I2. For I2 it is start from higher potential to lower potential, plus of VB minus VC upon R, 35 ohm. Similarly for I6 it would start from high potential, VC minus 0 upon 22. Similarly for I3 start from here, VB minus VC upon 8 for I3, and similarly for I5. So I5 is VC minus 0 upon 15. Now we consider this I4 element, we consider this and apply supernode concept 1. So it is like this I6, this is I3, and this is I2, and this is I5. So when we apply super node, these are at same potential, so these two nodes are same, so apply KCL, means all incoming current is equal to outgoing current at that node. So incoming is I2 and I3, so I2 plus I3 is equal to outgoing I5 and I6, so this is I5 plus I6 at node C. So we find the I2, I3, I5, I6 from here. So in this way we put all the values here. For I2, VB minus VC upon 35 plus I3, VB minus VC upon 8 is equal to I5 VC upon 15 plus I6 VC upon 22. So we have VC in left side, take this VC from right side, it would be VB upon 35 plus VB upon 8 is equal to VC upon 15 plus VC upon 22 plus VC upon 35 plus VC upon 8. So this is the equation now in term of VB and VC. Now consider the branch C and this node potential. So this is our VC and this is our ground potential. So it would be 15 ohm. So given is that across this branch the potential is 45 volt. So when we consider that terminal that is related to A is at ground potential, means here given 45 volt, this is the reference node, so VC is directly 45 volt. We consider, so after putting VC here we find out VB, that would be 8 VB plus 35 VB upon 35 into 8 is equal to, put here VC and we solve this, 45 divided by 15 plus 45 divided by 22 plus 45 divided by 35 plus 45 divided by 8. So in this way it would be 12 and here 43 VB divided by 35 into 8. So after solving we get VB is equal to 77.85 volt. Now we have VB. So VB minus VA is equal to 77.85 minus 0, because this VA is at ground potential, so we consider this and in question it asked VAB, so that would be minus 77.85 volt. So in this way we solve this question using nodal analysis. Now we solve this question using KVL. So we solve this question now using mesh analysis. We consider all the current distribution as we used in KCL. That's why we mentioned here this is the method of KCL and KVL. We consider the branch current distribution in the circuit and we apply the concept of KVL. So here this is VBA, I1, I2, I5, I3, I6. Now current entering from this side, this is positive, negative, this is positive, negative, this is positive, negative, this is positive, negative, and here is positive, negative. Now in DA branch, let us say BA, and this is our D and this is our E. So in DA branch we have this drop is 45 volt as given. So it is I into R, I5 into R15 is equal to 45 volt given. So I5 is equal to 3 ampere. Now in mesh DAED apply DAED in this. So it would be start from here minus of 45 plus last terminal I6 into R22 is equal to 0. So from here we find out I6, it would be 45 divided by 22, it would be 2.04545 ampere. So in this way we find out I6 also. Now apply KVL in BDAEB. Start from B, minus of 35 I2 minus 45 plus 22 I6 plus 8 I3 is equal to 0. Now we put here the value of I6 and we get minus 35 I2 plus 8 I3 is equal to 0. So this is equation number 1. Now apply KVL at point C. Here this is our point, it would be here at point B. So it would be I1 is equal to I2 plus I3. So I2 plus I3 is equal to I1 and I2 and I3. Now I5 plus I6, add this here, I5 and I6 is equal to I1. I5 plus I6 is equal to I1. So here we get I1 is equal to 3 and 2, 5.04545. So this I1 is put here. I2 plus I3 is equal to 5.04545 ampere. So in this way we get another equation in terms of I2 and I3. After solving these two equations using either Cramer rule or calculator, we get I2 is equal to 0.9387 ampere and I3 is equal to 4.1067 ampere. So when we get I2, I3, now apply KVL in ABDA in this mesh. Start from A, plus of VAB minus of 35 I2 minus 45 is equal to 0. So put here I2. So in this way you get VAB is equal to 45 plus 35 I2 and 45 plus 35 into 0.9387. So it would be 77.8545 volt, and we know this is VBA. This is VBA, last terminal. So if we find out VAB, it would be minus 77.8545 volt. So in this way we solve this question using KVL and KCL both way. Thank you.